Welcome back to all our wonderful followers. Today we're releasing a brand new tool, and yes, it's a video tool for you guys to be able to create viral videos or explainer videos with effortless effort, if that makes any sense. So here I'm going to jump in to our AI video maker. It's a brand new tool, but before I show you how powerful this thing is, let me show you some examples because I think that by seeing some examples, you'll know what's possible, and seeing that will give you an idea of what you'll be able to do once you start using this tool. So let me go into my downloads here, and this is the most recent one. We actually posted it on the channel, so have a quick look.
Today we are launching a brand new app called the AI Video Maker. It lets you create viral content with just a simple prompt. Imagine transforming your ideas into captivating videos instantly. With just a few clicks, your vision comes to life. Content creation becomes effortless and fun. This video you're watching was created in seconds. No more complicated editing or endless rewrites. Join the revolution of creators using AI to amplify their reach.
So that's a YouTube short. It's the right size. It's 33 seconds long. And of course, you have complete control over what you create using this app. You can create square videos, vertical or horizontal videos. But without further ado, let this video also be an instruction video to how you can create these unbelievable videos which can go crazy virals if you hit the right niches. Now that's good for content creators and also for people who just want to make some extra money or have an explainer video which is done for you. So let's get started. You can click on the one-click AI video here if you want this to fill these details for you. I recommend pressing this. This asks for a quick prompt of the idea of the video, or click create for random ideas. If you do click create my video, you will just get a random video which you literally didn't even think about. You can also do it another way. You can click on automatic mode, and then you can have some viral video options appear on the screen, where these are kind of options where if you click on any of them, you can then it will automatically create videos. But the way I want to do it today is by clicking the one-click AI video option, and then we want to give it a prompt. So let's just show you an example of something you can do with this just by typing in a prompt. So for example, an explainer, a video which will tell all my subscribers that I am releasing a brand new AI video maker which takes a prompt and makes a video out of it. So let's click create my video. So for those of you who've tried our children's story creator and the comic book creator, you know that this is a similar kind of app where it does all the work for you, and you can choose how many different scenes there will be in this. So let's just choose 9 scenes for the example and click create your AI video. So as you can see, you get an output which you can then approve or disapprove. So if I read this quickly, I was searching for a way to bring my creative ideas to life. Then I discovered an incredible AI video maker that transforms So this is not good for me. I actually want something where it's me. I made the app, and then let's try again. Let's give it a second try. That's better. I created a revolutionary AI video maker. It takes your prompts and transforms them into stunning videos. Unlocking your creativity has never been easier with this app. I designed it to inspire your storytelling journey. Watch as it breathes life into your ideas effortlessly. With each click, you'll see your vision come into reality. So let's click yes. We approve this. And what you're now going to see is where all the magic's going to happen. It's going to create each scene. And in the same way, like the children's book creator, it creates each scene separately. Once it's done, you can create the 9 images by pressing this button. And in about 10 seconds, you'll start seeing all of the images pop up one at a time. And these are going to be the images which the video are going to be made from. So as you can see, this is the first image for this text. And this is the image for this text. And you can see the quality of these images are absolutely insane. You can see the kind of quality we're talking about is the top-notch quality. Once all the images are created, we're going to be able to then choose the orientation of the video and the audio in the background and the voice of the video, or you can just choose the default options. You don't have to think too much. So if I just went with the default options, it would just be ready to create in one go. So let me click on prepare the video now. Once I click on that, I'll be taken to a page where I'm able to then click on generate video now. That will do everything automatically, and maybe I should do that for the example, or we can click on this button here, and then you can have tons of options like vertical video, horizontal video, square video, small video. It's completely up to you. Let's go with the vertical video, and then you can choose a voice. Now when you click on a voice, you can then listen to it, and also you can choose a background audio. By default you have the powerful but gentle, which you can listen, or you can choose something else. We can add more to these, and soon there'll be an upload your own audio option as well. So let's choose the powerful but gentle option, and then you have the voices here.
Hi there, I'm Matthew Plus. This is how my voice sounds. Do you want to use it for your project?
You can then change it to a female, a child, or just lots of different options.
Hi there, I'm Jason. This is how my voice sounds.
Let's choose this one. Now, you can choose how long the delay is between each pages. For more emotional videos, you should choose number 3 seconds. And for less emotional, you can choose 1. That's it, we're ready. Let's click generate video now. Now, what's going to happen is magical. The video is going to be created on the spot, and then we'll be able to watch it together, and you'll see how effortless that was. I could have done that in 20 seconds, just writing the prompt. I could have done that in 20 seconds to create a video in 20 seconds. Now, the power of this is unbelievable. The reason why it's so powerful is because you can give off a message, you can teach something, you can spread viral ideas, viral content, you can teach, you can basically do anything with this tool. You can educate about how to use tools, and you can even make promo videos with this all automatically, and that's what's amazing about this tool. And so once you've put in your prompt, it's going to create the storyline and then the video, and then it's automatically going to render. As you can see, my hands are right up here. It's doing everything automatically, and all that's left for us to do is to watch the video that I just made with you guys, and then you can see how easy it is to create AI videos. Let's download it by pressing this button. The download has started. Now let's watch it. Are you ready for this? We just did this together.
I created a revolutionary AI video maker. It takes your prompts and transforms them into stunning videos.
My graphics card is having an issue here. Let me just start that from the beginning. Okay, I'm having graphic cards issues. This is not to do with the app. My graphics card is frozen right in the middle of the example. So, but don't worry, I'll post this video up, and then you can see it right after this video and see what this software is capable of. I highly recommend you give it a try today. The link is the first link in the description. Enjoy your video making. Bye for now.